So this is the front bumper of my 2024 Hyundai Palisade. The temp tag is expired, so it's time to put on a front plate. Your vehicle comes with a bracket like this in the glove box, or at least mine did. Yours should too. You notice it's got two holes on the back, and those are recessed on the front side. Filming this video because there's nothing on YouTube right now that shows this process clearly, but I've already cleaned off the front bumper, and you can see there are three little marks here where they've designated for you to drill holes to match up with that license plate bracket. We're going to choose the outer two. It comes with two longer screws and then two shorter screws in the bag. These are going to be to hold the license plate onto the bracket once it's installed. These longer screws are going to be to mount the bracket to the bumper. So what I'm going to do next is take my drill with the Phillips head bit, and I'm going to put these screws into the recessed holes of the bracket. I'm going to drill that into the bumper, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. Sorry I can't film it, I've only got two hands. What it's going to look like though is this. I'm going to take this drill, and with a screw in the end, I'm going to poke it through this hole, line it up with the mark on the left, and just apply a little bit of pressure to drill that in. Then I will do the same thing on the right side. We'll have the bracket installed. Okay, so now the bracket's installed. Those screws were essentially self-tapping, so just a little bit of pressure with the drill ran those right in to those holes. Everything lined up perfectly. It's reasonably level. So you can see these marks right now. I'm going to line those up with my plates and use the other two screws that it gave me to mount the plate on. I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, so that's what the finished product will look like. Got the bracket mounted to the vehicle by two screws, which I showed you the marks where you're supposed to drill those. And then the plate mounts to the bracket with the remaining two screws. It's that simple. Good luck to all of you.